What's up friends, welcome back to the tutorial. In this video I'm going to show you how to install Uber Eats on your Android phone. So as you can see guys, I'm on my Android phone, and in order to install that you want to open up the Play Store, and from here you want to go to search, then use the search here to type in Uber Eats. And once you start to type in Uber, really you will see it start to show all the different Uber apps. You can click on Eat or the Uber Eats there. Then from here, you'll find the Uber Eats application in the list. And as you can see here, it shows me Uber Eats, and I just need to go ahead and tap on install, and I'll have Uber Eats installed on my phone. So you just want to go ahead and wait for that to quickly install on your phone, and you'll be able to quickly use it. I'm going to show you how you actually go ahead and set this up. Once it's done installing, it is super easy and super straightforward. As you can see, it's done installing, so I'm going to open up the application right here. And once you do, you want to go ahead and select your email address here to give access to account that you have. Importantly, you want to allow your location services, so you give it access to your location. And that's how you basically do it, guys. Very easy and very simple. Now, as you can see here, I'm currently in the Uber Eats application. From here, you can basically choose your location. You can add your address wherever it is that you want to add, and you'll be able to start using Uber Eats. But that's basically it, guys. Very easy and very simple.